67 Camaro. Just replaced the ignition switch. This one's on the dash. This is the ignition switch for it. Wiring. The back harness. This is the old one. It goes behind this wall, comes out to this hole. It's not a perfect hole, but it's like a D, so it stays in place. Put this in the back. Take out your lock cylinder with the key. Let me look for it, but yeah, it just goes in there. Take it out. Put a new one. This one has like 5 different accessory, battery, ignition, ground, solenoid. And my car wasn't starting from the key, so I had to replace it. And here's me trying to start it, just using I'm trying to get it, sorry guys, just using a screw. You just toggle it, get the toggle, go to the right and start it like you normally do. Oh shit. Oh, hold on guys. Oh, fuck it. Yeah, fuck, cut.